is going to be boogie boarding today. Yeah. So why don't we go over to the tent? Alright, we're here at the tent now. So what do you want to do, Charlie?
Well, probably we should show them how big this hole is right next to us.
Wow.
Yeah, it's like if somebody goes in it, it would be really hard to get out.
Yeah, and if someone is like right there, then they would slide. It's so funny.
Yeah.
Why don't we go build a sandcastle?
Yeah, let's go. Come on.
Okay.
Okay,
So let's put all the sand in.
Yeah.
There's a lot of it.
I have a sandcastle bucket where my place is. And it's not just like a bucket, it's like a bucket that's shaped into a sandcastle.
Yeah, I know what you mean. Those things.
Yeah, they work, but a lot of times when we put too much it doesn't work.
Yeah, it's just never. Sandcastles never come out good. So ours is probably not gonna be good.
Well, professionals like.
Yeah. If you do it with the hard sand, then it'll be good.
Yeah.
Okay, I think that's enough.
Just a tiny.
But we're in smooth sand, so it's not gonna work out for us. So let's just flatten it. Now,
Let's take that out.
I can tell that's gonna be bad.
Let's just pat it down so nothing sticks to the bottom.
Okay, let's hope it turns out good. If it doesn't, who cares? Oh, okay. Well, it sort of came out good on this side. Come over here. Look at this. It sort of came out good right there.
Right here, it's not that good.
Let's squish it down. Yeah. Sand is so fun to play with. I just love it.
Yeah, Play-Doh sand is fun.
Well, yeah, this is just normal sand, which is so much fun.
Imagine just like a baby drinking Coca-Cola.
Why would you just ask that question when we're not even talking about Coca-Cola?
Well, I just wanted to,
Yeah, just thinking about it.
Yeah, I'm thinking about a baby, dreaming of him drinking
Look at
Coca-Cola, and he is drinking Coca-Cola.
It's so smooth. I love this.
Yeah, mine's kind of smooth.
Okay, well, I think this day should be over right now.
Okay, well,
We're going to go boogie boarding now, so let's go.
yeah, let's go.
Okay, well, we're here at the ocean now.
Yeah.